When you reach out to clients yourself, your dream client, the client that you would love to work with, and you have conversations with them on a regular basis, you feel empowered.
Virtual assistants have work from anywhere flexibility. If you've put your travel lifestyle on hold because you didn't have a way to make money online, this may be the perfect fit for you. It's an industry that offers incredible flexibility and the ability to work from anywhere. During the recent Nomadic Income Summit, I interviewed Melissa Smith, CEO of the PVA. Melissa helps her clients find the perfect VA while also teaching virtual assistants how to build thriving businesses. If we haven't met yet, I'm Tanya from Nomadic Income, and here we talk about how to earn money online while living a nomadic lifestyle of travel, adventure, and freedom. Don't wait for someday. Your time is now. Melissa has spent nearly a decade revolutionizing the VA industry, training aspiring virtual assistants and matching business owners with the right support. Today, I'll share some of Melissa's best tips on getting started, avoiding common pitfalls, and creating a business that gives you freedom and flexibility. And later, I'll show you how you can get additional help if you want to start your own VA business. Many of the virtual assistants that Melissa works with came from a corporate background, and she says that this background can be valuable to your future clients.
You have to take stock of what you know and who you know, and then just realize how it's valuable will probably just be slightly different. And so what I mean by that are the number of clients of mine who are ex-corporate is probably in the 90 percentile. If they're not ex-corporate, they serve corporate clients. And why is this? Well, this is where the money is. You want to follow the money trail. So step one, follow the money trail. If you have a corporate background, you are valuable. So if you forget anything else I said, remember that you are valuable. Now it's how does that package, right? You're not in a corporate environment anymore. You're probably going to be working for maybe a solopreneur, a small team. The VA does not do everything. The VA is not necessarily the Jack or Jill of all trades.
Using your background to attract clients is important, but Melissa also says that you must network to let people know about your business and be ready when someone wants to hire you.
I would say determine what you're going to charge. Make sure you can take money. Don't wait until you get into that place and say, oh, let me send you a proposal tomorrow. That's how contracts are lost. That's how clients are lost. Don't wait to be able to not take money. If someone wants to give you money, you want to be able to take it. Get your PayPal set up, your bank account, your Venmo, your Zelle, whatever that looks like. Be able to take money. Don't let anyone not be able to give you money. And then after that, start telling everyone you know that you're looking for a client. And this is the type of client that you're looking for. When people ask you, hey, how's it going? Great. I started a VA business. I'm looking for this client. Do you know anyone who needs XYZ? Don't be shy about it. There's a saying that says we say something 7 times for people to hear it one time. Most people will know their first client. I knew my first client.
So, starting with a client you already know can take the stress off the situation. Additionally, using your existing skills instead of learning new skills can also help you get started quickly. Let's hear Melissa explain.
I think people, when they think they're transitioning from maybe an executive assistant to a virtual assistant, they think it has to be something new, something different, like they have to reinvent themselves. And I actually caution against that because starting a business comes with its own challenges. You will be challenged starting a business, especially if you want to do that while traveling, right? When people tell me, "Oh, you've traveled so much. What should I pack? What's top on your list?" I say, "Pack your patience. You just never know what's going to happen and when, and it's all about building your business around your lifestyle. So before you start to make a lot of changes, start with what you know. Start with what's comfortable. Start with what doesn't stress you out. Start with what you don't have to figure out. Like what could you do in your sleep?"
A travel lifestyle comes with its own challenges, so using your existing skills can help reduce stress. If you are inspired by Melissa's insights today, I would love it if you would like and subscribe. Here at Nomadic Income, we talk about online tools and money making opportunities perfect for the location independent life. Now, for a final tip from Melissa, she says that it is important to tailor your business to your lifestyle.
So when you're thinking about traveling and you're thinking about the client and you're thinking about all the logistics, like don't forget to take yourself into consideration. What about your timeline? What about the things that you want to do? What about how it works for your business? Don't think of yourself last. This is your business. This is a lifestyle business. It's not going to be sustainable if you're not enjoying yourself or if you don't like the clients that you bring on because you're matching them and they're not matching you. So start by saying, what is good for me and what client is this also good for? And that will really go a long way. The rest of it you'll figure out, you'll work out. I think working on projects is also great so that you can enjoy being on the time zone that you're in as well. But really think about yourself. I don't think that gets talked about enough, because you set the tone, you set the pace. If clients know that up front, like 90% of the time, they're like, sure, because what I found, and I thought this was just mind blowing to me, my clients were so excited for my travel. They were living vicariously through me every single step of the way. We'd get on calls, and the first thing they want to know is, where'd you go today? What'd you do this week? What did you eat?
As you can tell from Melissa's comments, a virtual assistant business is a perfect way to get traveling now. If you would like to learn more about starting a virtual assistant business, Melissa has a free workbook available on her website. I've included a link to that workbook as well as a link to her book in the description. Thinking about starting a VA business? Drop your comments below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more Summit Secrets videos where we explore ways to live anywhere and earn everywhere.